What is it that makes a great team? There are a lot of things that we could talk about, but in this video, I'm going to give you 3 key ingredients, almost like a recipe that you can make sure to build a great team. Stick around and let's talk about it. Okay, now let's dive into 3 ingredients to a great team. Number 1, a team consists of people. You need to have the right people, and you need to have the right people with the right attitudes and in the right situations that are set up to help them succeed. The author Jim Collins, in the book Good to Great, which is one of my all-time favorite business books, suggests that it's almost like getting people on the bus. You need to get the right people on the bus. We're going on a journey together. As a team, as an organization, we need to get the right people on the bus. Come on. And the wrong people need to be off the bus. So curating the people who are on the team has a huge impact on the success of the team. This isn't that surprising. Obviously, they need to have the right skills and abilities to accomplish the tasks that you're asking them to accomplish, but also they need to be the types of people who are willing to learn and contribute and collaborate together. If not, you're going to have some problems, right? So number 1 is make sure you have the right people in the right positions that are set up to succeed and collaborate well together. Number 2, ingredient number 2 is common goals, okay? What are your goals together? Do people even know what they're working towards? Not just, okay, here's my list of tasks that I need to accomplish, but what's the reason why that's important for us to be doing this together? What's the purpose for what this means in the future? What's the impact our team and our organization is having on the community and on the world, right? We need to have these common goals so people see themselves as part of a larger whole. If all they see as themselves is just this little cog in a wheel, but all they see is that cog, and they don't see that if they are taken out, then the machine is not going to work. And what is that machine producing? They're going to have a hard time feeling motivated and excited about what they're working on, because all they see is they're spinning their little wheel, right? But if you can connect them with a purpose that's higher than themselves and see the common goals that we're all collectively working together, not just what I'm working on and what you're working on, that we together are working on, then some great things can happen. And that leads me into ingredient number 3, which I believe is so important but often neglected with regards to awesome teams, is a culture of connection. How do we help people feel connected to each other and to themselves and to the mission of the organization? What does connection mean? Well, connection means that I understand you. I understand and care about what you care about, right? I feel like you understand me. I feel seen and known and cared for and supported as well. When we both mutually feel that way, when we feel connected, it's almost like plugging into an electricity source, right? Or connecting to Wi-Fi. Without that, I can't exchange information. I can't send any communications if my phone or my computer is not connected to the internet. The same thing, if I'm not connected to you or I'm not connected to the organization, well, I'm going to have a really hard time exchanging the right information and working on the right things and collaborating together, because I feel isolated, I feel lonely, I feel siloed, right? If we can build a culture that enhances this human connection in each other, then collaboration, innovation, productivity, they all go up, which is exactly what we're trying to accomplish. And by the way, it's the right thing to do for people because it's good for their health and well-being when they feel connected to other human beings. So ingredient number 1 is getting the right people in the right positions to succeed. Ingredient number 2 is establishing common goals that are larger than ourselves that we can all work on together. And ingredient number 3 is to establish that culture of connection so that people feel connected to the other humans that they're doing this work so that they see that they matter and they're helping others feel the same. When you have those three ingredients, I believe you have an excellent team who's going to do great things. My name is Jeff Perry, and I love fostering these connections and building teams inside of organizations. And so I would love to help you. We can do a facilitated opportunity or coaching or training, whatever that looks like for you. Please reach out. Let's connect and talk about how we can help you build your team to be the best it can be. Thanks so much, and look forward to seeing you again.